Next thing you know, I've got cops knocking on my door with a warrant for my arrest. I was charged with 3 felonies, criminal trespass, burglary, recording false documents, 2 misdemeanors. I was facing 12 years in Colorado State Prison. And arrested, spent the night in jail. And I knew not to go in and argue, and knew not to go until I used their system to receive remedy. So I went in and I asked the questions. He's a judge with a doctorate degree in law, 2 prosecutors. And I asked the questions that compelled the performance in this courtroom that I wished to happen. Case was dismissed. The judge announced onto the record. And, the prosecutor came up to me before the hearing started and gave me a really dirty look and said, "We're not going to prosecute this case." She turned around and walked away. She started to give an explanation as to why the state wasn't going to prosecute. The judge basically told her not necessary and said, "This case is hereby dismissed." And the most important thing, he says, "and all bonds are hereby discharged in this matter." But anyway, yes, that was huge in my life. It was life-changing to be able to hear those words. And, talking about the victim mentality, obviously I felt that, initially, got out the next day after being arrested. But to hear this and to hear that has been life-changing, not only for me and my wife, Sandra, but for many, many people around the world.